Once in the animal kingdom, animals made the same sound, which made them easily understood by one another. But one day a stranger came into the animal kingdom with a strange kind of food. Instead of scrutinizing the food, the animals pounced on it and ate until they were so satisfied. However, after a while, they realized that something had gone wrong. Their voices had changed. Some barked, some crowed, some meowed, and some others made different sounds. This made them realize that the food had an effect on them. And that is why, up to today, animals make different sounds. Thanks for watching. Love from the classic series.